Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom. The chainsaw is a hazardous tool, so operators always wear protective gear such as helmets, safety goggles, and cut-resistant gloves. Some models feature an automatic chain brake, which immediately stops the blade if kickback is detected. Additionally, when using a chainsaw, the operator must maintain a stable stance, avoiding overhead cutting or unstable positions to prevent loss of control. Cutting into soil or rocks should also be avoided, as it can damage the blade. Chainsaws are widely used in forestry, construction, and tree trimming operations. Due to their fast and flexible cutting ability, they significantly reduce labor time compared to manual saws. In dense forest environments, chainsaws can handle various types of trees, from softwood to hardwood. Some high-end models are equipped with more powerful engines, allowing them to cut through large diameter wood while maintaining high efficiency. The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. When climbing steep slopes, log trucks face the risk of losing momentum or sliding backward if the road is too slippery. The driver must stay in a low gear to maintain traction and carefully control the throttle to prevent the wheels from spinning in place. On steep inclines, trucks may need to ascend in a zigzag pattern instead of going straight up, reducing the effective slope and improving grip. If the incline is too steep or the soil is too soft, a bulldozer or another truck may need to push from behind for assistance. In some cases, the driver might have to reduce the load, making multiple smaller trips to ensure safety. If the truck starts sliding backward, emergency brakes and wheel chocks made of wood or rocks can help prevent a dangerous descent. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. In deep forest areas, rugged terrain such as high mountains, deep valleys, or places without access roads, transporting timber by conventional means such as trucks or tractors is almost impossible. Rough terrain, steep slopes, along with narrow or even non-existent trails, make any attempt at transporting by road impossible. In such cases, helicopters become the optimal and sometimes the only option. Thanks to their ability to fly flexibly and reach difficult locations, helicopters can lift, transport, and safely unload timber at assembly points, saving time, effort, and minimizing the negative impact on the environment caused by clearing roads or hauling timber through forests. A wood chipper is a specialized machine used to process excess wood, branches, and logs into small pieces for various purposes. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, it can quickly shred wood into chips for sawdust, maximizing the utilization of forest resources. When wood is fed into the machine, the cutting blades spin at high speed, slicing it into small pieces. These wood chips are then propelled through the discharge chute by a fan, ready for use. This continuous process ensures fast and efficient processing. Wood chipper, fast wood processing, reducing labor. White heavy checkmark saves storage space by minimizing wood waste. White heavy checkmark maximize resource utilization, prevent waste. White heavy checkmark wide range of applications in many different industries. Wood chippers are essential in the wood processing industry, maximizing resource utilization and improving production efficiency. With advanced technology, these machines are helping increase productivity while minimizing environmental impact. The massive stump stood tall like an ancient relic in the logged forest, but the stump grinder didn't let it stand for long. The sharp steel saw spun, cutting through the old wood. The machine roared, crushing the stubborn roots into a pile of fine, sand-like sawdust.
Isot juuret.
The tree stump grinder roared, the saw blades spinning at breakneck speed, digging deep into the hard stump. Wood chips flew everywhere, and layers of bark and roots were worn away into fine dust. In just a few minutes, the seemingly impenetrable stump was crushed into its chips, leaving the ground level, ready for the next job. Let's appreciate every piece of wood, use resources wisely, and ensure sustainability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next adventure. See you in the next journey.